is up, guys? It's your boy E-Tard. Today we are messing with a 2004 F-150. I'm going to show y'all what happens with these things and how to fix it quickly so you don't have to take it to the dealer. If you have an F-150 with the crew cab doors like this, they have power windows in them. See how this window will roll down? But it will not roll up. You see that? It will not roll up from here or from the driver's side. It'll roll down, but it won't roll up. So here's from the driver's side panel. It won't even roll down from my side, but it rolls down from back there. So if this happens, this is what you need to do. This is what you need. You need to get you a extension cord, an old extension cord, like so. Cut the ends off of it, make one shorter than the other. Then you're going to connect this to your battery, and I'll show you in just a second. All right, so you see it rolls down some. I'm going to go ahead and roll it all the way down, like so. Will not roll back up. If you get stuck somewhere and this rolls down and you have to take it to the dealer, it's going to cost some money for them to roll it up. But this easy hack is going to show you how to do that yourself and save you a lot of money, or an emergency if you just need to get it back up. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to pop this panel off. Need a flathead screwdriver. Take this in here, doing this one-handed, pop that panel off, and then you're going to unplug it right here. Super easy. Do it one-handed. If you look at this plug, behind it, it's numbered. See that 1, 2, red wire's 3, yellow wire's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to plug in to 2 and 6. So that's 2 and that's 6. Now do this at your own risk, but it worked for me. I'm going to plug 2 ends of that power cord after I hook it up to the battery right here, and this window is going to roll up. I will show you. So let me plug up to the, take your extension cord, just cut these ends off, and I'm going to connect one to the positive, one to the negative. I'll show you. Okay, so I got these hooked up here. That's why you cut these at 2 different lengths, so these wires cannot touch, or you'll have all kinds of problems. Got my wire up there, got my window is down. I'm gonna plug into 2 and 6 and get this window to roll up. Okay guys, I got my cord. You do not want these 2 wires to touch. Now what we're gonna do is I'm going to plug these wires into the number 2 and the number 6 that I showed you. See that? As soon as I touch it, it rolls it up. See? Go ahead and roll that window all the way up. Then you're going to want to leave this plug you're going to want to stick that plug back in there just like that and put your cover over it back on. Now nobody will accidentally roll that window down. It don't work on my side anyways, or I would get that one unplugged as well. Hopefully that helped a few of you on the F-150s. I think it's from year 2002 to 2008. 02 to 08, I think, is the year of this. It should work on all those trucks that have the crew cab like this. So hopefully that helped you out. If it did, please leave it down in the comments that it helped you. Do it at your own risk, but it does work for me. It's worked on both sides of the truck. So now I don't have to worry about that. I don't have to run back to the dealer and have them put that window up. So hopefully this helped you out. If you liked the video, leave a like. And if you ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously. And until next time, peace.